Hi everybody, Chris at Torque King here with today's product highlight, our QT1512 dual rear wheel seal installer. Is specifically made to quickly and safely install our QU40451 wheel seals in the back of your heavy-duty dually hubs on 2001 and 2002 Ram 3500. Simply place your seal on the tools pilot, attach one of our driver handles, and drive the seal into place. The installer will stop when the seal is square to the bore and seated to the correct depth. A relief groove in the installer allows adequate clearance for the outer seal lip, preventing one of the most common causes of premature seal failure. Our precision CNC aluminum installers are made right here in Montana, and they're the right tools to get the job done right the first time. Buy the QT1512 and many of our other tools made just for your rig on the web at torqueking.com, or give us a call and we'll get you exactly what you need. Our link is in the description below, and while you're looking there, give us a like and a comment. It really does help us reach more people just like you. Then subscribe to see more of our product highlights. We've been around for over 30 years and plan to be around at least that much longer. Thanks for watching, and good luck keeping your rig on the road.